What is your understanding in indigenous science? Throughout history, indigenous people has been responsible for the development of many technologies and have substantially contributed to science. Science is the pursuit of knowledge. Approaches to gathering that knowledge are culturally relative. Together, they contribute substantially to the modern science. What are the examples of indigenous science? Indigenous science is mostly empirical knowledge, and all science was like that before technology gave it better tools. Its significance is that often contain information that came from local conditions not found elsewhere, like medical plants or unusual climate conditions that mainstream science hasn't yet studied. Why do some people believe in indigenous science? Because they are not scientists. Scientists don't go around believing in science. They do it, which means doing stuff and observing results and drawing conclusions and framing theories about which they remain skeptical. They doubt, they say to themselves, we could be wrong. Do you think indigenous science should be considered science? The scientific method is not owned by anyone and any proper application of it must be welcomed by society at large if indigenous science is conducted according to scientific methodology that relies on factual verifiable evidence for its finding and explanations, then it will be considered as a science. If it is based on opinion, hearsay, imagination, faith without proper evidence, then it cannot be regarded as scientific. What is the role of indigenous science in the development of science and technology? On my point of view, isn't a big role of indigenous science in the development of science and technology because indigenous science is the science and technology of today like is natural science of yesterday. And once natural science is yet active and it's studied by many people. And these ones don't look for indigenous science as they look for natural science. I believe that indigenous science had its importance on the days of the indigenous community, whose community is already integrated on the community of today. And so science and technology and most of all last has to very little with indigenous science.